Compared to other major European cities, Milan and Rome are behind in terms of energy Class A building supply. In Italy, only 5% of properties comply with the first 4 energy efficiency classes, but the demand for them is increasing. To meet this need, we have designed Cellia. Cellia is a high-tech integrated facade system. Internal and external finishes are customizable, and the installation of Cellia is easy and fast. Cellia can be used for both new build construction and for the redevelopment of existing buildings. It's possible to redevelop real estate assets and increase their value, as well as improve energy efficiency to achieve cost and environmental benefits. Cellia integrates the building's mechanical and electrical systems with the building envelope. Climatization, wiring and energy generating systems communicate directly with the existing plant. It's possible to install Cellia whilst buildings remain operational. Construction sites are smart and minimally invasive. Durations are comparable to traditional construction sites. However, Cellia allows the building to remain occupied and generating income. In addition, the installation is carried out in stages in order to minimize discomfort during the works. It is completely customizable, with flexible dimensions able to adapt to the existing building. Cellia will make your property exclusive, more valuable, and more technologically advanced.